I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and starting the Xbox network flow. Power on your Series X and once booted, open Settings, Network. Make sure you know the exact SSID and password for the router. Why this matters. Entering the wrong network wastes time and triggers lockouts. Place the console closer to the router if signals are weak and disable VPNs or guest isolation temporarily. Now select Set up Wireless Network to scan for available SSIDs and move to the next step. Once the Xbox lists networks, pick your router's SSID and press it to connect. You enter the Wi-Fi password next. Take your time and double-check characters. Passwords are case-sensitive. After authentication, the console requests an IP via DHCP by default. Leave this unless you use a static IP for port forwarding. If it connects, run the network test from the same menu to verify NAT type and latency. If prompted to install system updates, accept them now to avoid connectivity quirks later. You finish by validating the connection and addressing common issues. Run test network and check NAT type. Open is ideal. Strict blocks multiplayer. If NAT is strict, enable UPnP in the router or forward Xbox Live ports manually. Once done, restart both router and console to apply changes. Make sure to rerun the network test. If problems persist, try temporarily connecting via Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi issues. One key tip: rebooting the router often resolves flaky authentication or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.